Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something really exciting, solar tech. Now, this isn't just about saving the planet, it's also about saving your wallet. So let's get into it. First off, what's solar tech all about? Well, imagine cutting your electricity bill by up to 95%. If that sounds too good to be true, that's exactly what solar tech is offering. They're making solar energy affordable for homes and businesses. And get this, it's not just about solar panels. Solar tech is bringing something new to the table. They're not just another currency. They've built this awesome self-sustaining ecosystem. And if you invest with them, you get rewards in USDT. So you earn just by being part of their system, and that's pretty cool. So now you might be thinking, what's in it for me aside from the savings? Well, there's more. They're developing their own swap system with lower rates than others in the market. Plus, their team is 100% dedicated to this project. This is rare, and it's something that really sets them apart. Let's talk about why solar energy is a smart choice. Not only is it easy and safe, but it's also economical. With solar tech, investing in solar energy is a breeze. And here's the kicker. By holding their currency, solar, in your wallet, you get USDT rewards hourly. So not only are you contributing to a greener planet, but you're also making a smart financial move. Solar tech is redefining the game here. If you're looking to invest in something that benefits you and the environment, this might just be your golden ticket. In the third quarter of 2023, this project kicked off by assembling a great team, diving into tech research and beginning their work. Now they focused on security from the get-go, ensuring their tech is safe and sound. At the same time, they started building a community, created a cool look for their brand, and got all their legal and safety checks done. Plus, they made some smart partnerships to help them grow. Moving into the fourth quarter of 2023, they're ramping things up. They're planning a special early sale, launching their own solar on PancakeSwap, and aiming to get noticed on big platforms like CoinMarketCap. Plus, their community is growing too, with a goal to hit 10,000 members. And they're also working on getting listed on more exchanges and setting up benefits for their members of Thon. For the start of 2024, they're keeping the momentum going. They'll have more safety checks and some cool events. Since now they're also launching an app, which is pretty exciting. The big news is they're starting to make and sell solar panels. That's a big step into green energy. Moreover, their community is set to grow even bigger. And they're planning more listings on major platforms. Plus, they're updating their roadmap and their main document to keep everyone in the loop. So that's the scoop. This project is blending tech, crypto, and eco-friendly initiatives in a really interesting way, which is pretty cool. Talk now about Solar's approach to its launch. Unlike many others, Solar had a fair launch. This means there were no pre-allocated tokens for the development team or early drops. A truly equitable start for all investors. Now let's move to one of its most interesting aspects. Solar is deflationary. It's designed to gradually reduce its supply to increase its value over time. This is achieved through a 5% redistribution rate on every transaction. Fascinating, right? Now, security is paramount in the crypto world, and Solar addresses this head on. The contract has been waived, meaning the token is out of the development team's control, adding an extra layer of security for its holders. Another critical aspect is the burn policy. Solar has burned 50% of its supply in its firing cycle, a bold move to kickstart its deflationary mechanism. Solar's total supply is a staggering 1 billion tokens. And here's a perk for the holders. 4% of returns go back to SolarPlate for each transaction, incentivizing long-term holding. From my perspective, Solar seems to offer a unique approach with its fair launch, deflationary nature, strong security measures, and a significant burn policy. It's a token that promises to evolve with the market, rewarding its long-term investors. Well, that's it for today's review of Solar. What do you think about this token? Is it the future of cryptocurrency? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more crypto reviews. Until next time, goodbye.